I just got back from the most incredible Earth Day yoga sound bath meditation class, and it was just a real thrill for me. Why? Because I got to do it with this lady right here. That's Stefanie Miller from Intentional Movement Northern Kentucky. She's not only a friend, but she is an inspiration for me. Stefanie was there for me when my rheumatoid arthritis was at its worst. And her classes, her patience, her willingness to work with me around my pain and the stress and struggles I was having made a huge difference. I have for years said that she is a part of my care team. She is a part of my healthcare team. And I'm blessed tonight to be able to help end her class with a special Earth Day meditation. So, not only did I get to be a part of this class, take the class, I got to help collaborate with somebody I highly admire and look up to. And I got to do it in my hometown, in my community, in my yoga community. So it was just really thrilling. And now I want to share that experience with you, my online community. Thank you for being here today to honor the earth, to connect inward, and to root into a shared sense of care for our planet. Allow yourself to truly arrive in this moment. Let go of wherever you've been today and simply be here. Take in a deep breath in through your nose and a long, slow exhale through the mouth. Feel your body begin to settle. Feel the earth beneath you, solid and steady, always supporting you. Now bring your attention back to your breath. There's nothing to change. Just observe. Notice the rhythm of your inhale and your exhale. Feel your breath as a gentle tide moving in and out. Just like the waves, just like the wind in the trees. With each breath, arrive a little more deeply into your body, into this space, into this moment together. let's all take a moment to ground ourselves, not just individually, but as a group. Feel your connection between your body and the earth. Imagine roots growing from your body into the ground, anchoring you into the soil, the stone, the living world below. Now imagine those roots intertwining with the people beside you, not touching, but gently connecting. A web of rooted presence, reminding us that we are never alone. We are part of one earth, one breath, one community. Let your heart rest in gratitude. Think of something that the earth gives you. Fresh air, water, sunshine, beauty, shelter, nourishment. Let that feeling of gratitude grow. And now, imagine sending that gratitude down into the earth, like a loving offering. As a group, let's hold this collective gratitude in silence. Let it fill the space around us. Let it ripple outward. Now I invite each of you, quietly in your own mind, to set an intention for how you want to live in harmony with the earth. It could be small, to reduce waste, walk more, plant something, or it may be something larger, to speak up, to protect or lead. Whatever arises, let it be sincere. Let it take root in your heart. Together we plant these intentions like seeds, knowing that even when the smallest act is placed, it can grow into something powerful. Let's begin to gently return. Feel your breath again, steady and strong. Feel your body, your hands, your feet, the space around you. Wiggle your fingers or toes if you'd like. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. Slowly, softly, bringing the stillness with you. Slowly roll to your right or left side. In the form of the seed, take that seed position. And remember your intentions. And when you feel ready, slowly bring yourself up to your easy seat. And take a moment to look around you. Notice the people in the room with you. We're all a part of this earth. Caretakers, stewards, guests. Let this meditation be a beginning and not an end. May we all walk lightly and love deeply on this Earth Day and all days.
Bring your hands to the space of the heart. Just take a moment to remember. The human forgets. So remember, right? We need to ground ourselves down. It's just as simple as putting the hands over the space of the heart, witnessing your heartbeat, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. We welcome yourself back home. And I thank you for allowing me to guide you through your practice this evening. And I thank you, April, for sharing your meditation with us on this Earth Day. Hands to the forehead for clarity of thought, to the lips for thoughtfulness of speech, to the space of the heart for consistency in action, and everything that we're thinking, saying, and doing resonates from this space. And I bow to each of you.
Thank you. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed that session as much as I enjoyed being a part of it. And I encourage you to leave me some comments down below. If you enjoyed watching some of this collaboration that we've done, I'd like to do more collaborations in the future. So let me know what you thought of it. And if you're in the greater Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky area, go ahead and take a look for Stefanie. She's on Facebook. She's on Instagram. Go check her out. See where she's teaching. Take one of her classes. I promise you won't regret it. And thank you for helping continue to support this channel and for supporting Working Mindfully. Don't forget to join me for the next video, and we'll do more meditation as we move through spring. Thank you.